quite a brutal start to the week. We took a few stop losses in the group, right? I hit a stop loss on Ethereum. I believe I hit a stop loss on IP, and yeah, 2 stop loss. So the mistake was with IP, aku tak sedar yang mainnet dia telah launch. Right? I thought this was a pump out of nowhere. My mistake, saya tak buat fundamental analysis. Tapi saya jarang buat fundamental analysis. So this was a risky trade. I was expecting IP akan ikut dump dengan market, but turns out IP was one of the strongest gainers. So that was a mistake on my part, trying to short something that had strong fundamental news. I also hit a stop loss on BTC because we entered a little bit early on the long, right? It was in the middle. I would have preferred it to come down to this low range right here before I entered long, but we took a long right here, got stopped out, and the market actually dumped even further, right? A lot of people were not expecting this, and a lot of liquidations happened. So currently right now what we're looking at is we're looking for a potential range reversal. You can call it an ABC correction, whatever, Wyckoff schematic. But basically what it is that we are grabbing liquidity below and we want to see a correction back up. Okay, we want to see it reclaim this support level. I said ramai orang cakap, right? Ramai orang cakap, and I said this di video sebelum ni. Ramai orang cakap 90k tak boleh break. Kalau 90k break, we're going to 70k. Right? A lot of people were saying that, bukan saja di TikTok, di YouTube, Twitter pun orang cakap 90k tak boleh break. But in the previous videos, we've always talked about this liquidity zone right here, dan zone ini belum kena collect. And of course, dalam group, we always trade a setup which we call an IRDR setup, di mana kita ada range, deviation, and come back onto the range. So this looks like a potential IRDR setup, cuma di skala yang lebih besar, di daily time frame. So apa yang kita nak tengok sekarang ialah kita nak tengok ada rejection di sini dan kita nak strength yang menunjukkan kita boleh reclaim support ini dan sambung naik. Right, so that is what we want to see because we have collected liquidity all the way down to 86,000. Right, kalau kita tak berjaya buat rejection and reclaim of this support dan kita buat bearish retest pula, contoh ada consolidation and we have some bearish retest here, then it's likely we will continue lower. Continue lower to where? Well, we can just pull, simply kita boleh tarik sebuah Fibonacci, pull a fib from here to here. We can see 618 lines up here, golden pocket 786 also here, dan kita boleh tengok di mana volume di sini ya. Volume, we can see dalam in this leg right here, the volume lines up with the 786 level. So potentially kalau kita break support level ini, right, and we do continue down, then it's likely that we are going to test and look for the highest volume area, which is about 75,000. Okay, so that is the bullish and bearish scenario untuk Bitcoin. Now, sekarang kita dah enter beberapa trade. We've had a bit of a recovery. We've had some good trades on BNB, on Kaito. We've had some recovery, a break-even trade on INA. Dan sekarang saya masih hold long untuk Ethereum. And I've entered a few other long trades on TWT, Bitcoin, and also Hype. So we're looking for a bounce, a rejection up here, and potentially a recovery from altcoins. Now, something I want to show you guys on the fear and greed index ialah kita sekarang berada dalam zone fear. Look at that, 26. Wow, kemarin kita di 29 ya, sekarang kita di 26. So we are in extreme fear territory. Well, not extreme fear lah, 26 is just fear. We are in fear territory, and you can see setiap kali kita masuk kepada fear territory ini, we have gotten a bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, so this time could not be any different. We may go lower, right? We may go lower sebab I'm expecting a consolidation from Bitcoin. Okay, so there is a possibility that we go a bit lower, but what we can see is that inilah zone yang terbaik dalam zone fear, dalam zone extreme fear. Inilah zone yang terbaik untuk DCA and start to load up on your altcoins, right? Biasanya orang akan mula beli altcoin bila di sini, and when things start to pump, right? But if you think about it logically, bila kita pergi shopping, we want the best prices. Kita nak harga yang terendah. Yes, things look good when it's up here dan nampak macam tak boleh turun, right? But thinking logically, bila masa orang paling takut untuk enter the market, when the prices are the lowest, is when you should be planning your entries. Now, I'm not saying you should just try and catch a falling knife. I'm saying try and plan your entry, cari sebuah reversal or apply some technical analysis untuk enter pada masa yang you rasa terbaik. Don't just enter blindly. Bila market pump, you cuba enter, right? Try and apply your knowledge and look for a good entry to DCA. Okay, so what else do I want to say? I think itu saja. Ethereum actually has been looking quite strong. We entered a long position on Ethereum, looking for it to come back up here and collect the liquidity. We have retested the low range of this previous range, and we are in a Fibonacci level right here. So this was ideal for me to take a long. Walaupun market nampak teruk, but it fits my rules, it fits my criteria, so I entered a long position here. We're currently floating in a bit of profit, so all good. But let's see how the market plays out in the next few days. So speaking of the range that I was talking about just now, right, it's very rare that the market dia akan reverse macam ni directly. Usually apa akan berlaku ialah kita akan membentukkan sebuah range di sini, dan dalam range ini ialah di mana kita boleh cari potential reversal pattern, a head and shoulders, a V pattern, IRDR setup, or something that can give us an indication that we are showing some strength, right? Even a change of character. Looking at this 1 hour time frame, I would say this is the main swing level yang kita nak break and possibly retest before we can continue higher. So until that happens, right, along here I would say is a B plus setup. It's slightly higher risk sebab belum ada confirmation yang jelas. If you want a stronger confirmation, wait for a break of structure here and a retest onto support before you enter a long position here. Now, saya dah enter a few long positions here because I'm expecting for it to bounce, and because support is support until support tu dipecahkan. So, zone ini telah dibuktikan sebagai support beberapa kali. So, right now it's no different. Selagi dia tak break, selagi itulah kita boleh long dari zone ini. So, that's just a quick market update and what I'm looking forward to in the next few days. Let's see if we can make some good profit from this dip. Kalau you guys nak update yang lebih cepat on exactly what I am trading in real time, right? Apa saya sedang enter, bila saya stop loss, bila saya break even, bila saya take profit or whatever, make sure you guys join the academy, right? Because I update everything in real time. This is like my live trading journal. Okay, so itu saja untuk video kali ini. Jangan lupa like, comment and subscribe. And we still have the Pionex deposit bonus. So new user atau existing user boleh register and KYC dan dapatkan 50 USDT trading bonus. Existing user can get up to 300 USDT futures grid bonus. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.